What is the TM90? What is the TM90? I was prompted to record this and answer this from a conversation I had with my dad not too long ago. We were sitting around the fire pit one weekend and he asked me. He turned his head and asked, "So what's this TM90 thing all about?" I'm like, I know he sees my Facebook and Instagram stories, he sees me posting on my feed, but if my own dad's asking me, and I'm relatively visible, then certainly other people are asking the same question. Despite how many people have expanded their physical, mental health, their spiritual, emotional growth already. So let me address the question. What is the TM90? Or more specifically, who am I? Who do I help? And how do I help them? Through my TM90 program. First, some know me, some don't. I've acquired quite a few new people following me, and I'm so grateful for that. My name's Steve Trzek, and over the better part of 2.5 decades, I've personally trained, I've coached, mentored anyone from other personal trainers to teen athletes, to housewives, to super achievers, to folks hundreds of pounds overweight, you name it. I've aided so many people, thousands of humans essentially, directly and indirectly, into the healthiest versions of themselves. But it wouldn't take you too long to figure out that I live the lifestyle myself. So it's nice to know that I don't just talk about it. I'm being what I coach. If I'm not being my healthiest, strongest self, mind and body, then it's challenging for me to help you. Plus, that would be hypocritical, wouldn't it? If I choose not to take care of myself, then I struggle to help and take care of people around me, mainly my kids, my wife, my environment of friends and family that I care about. Who do I help? I help the person that is stuck. They feel out of control. They typically claim that they've tried it all. They've tried all the things to be healthy, to be energized, to have a greater quality of life through elevated wellness. Overall, they just know in their gut that there's more in store in their life. They just about think they're broken. And I'll show you how that's not even close to being the case. Again, they have this sense of feeling trapped. Feeling trapped, it's a great way of putting it. Not that it's my responsibility to rescue anyone. It's your responsibility to rescue yourself. So how do I position you to do that? How do I help you? First, I'll get you to realize that in order for you to change or transform, it's not directly derived from what you're doing externally, all the things. And that's where everybody goes when they want something different in their life. They say, "What do I need to do? Just tell me what to do." I'm going to get you to understand that transforming your life occurs from the inside out, not the outside in. And with my 90-day transformation method program, also known as the TM90, I'll literally provide you the coaching and the tools to alter your subconscious programming through your identity, your habits, sustainably, challenging your limiting, non-supportive beliefs, your stories. It's subconscious, transformational coaching to take your life to levels that you never thought possible. What does that mean? It means creating change from within you, from the inside out. Quite literally. I offer this through my flagship program that I really cultivated over the last few years during the previous pandemic. You remember that. And that's the TM90 Full Immersion. The Full Immersion is a live engagement every week around transformational concepts. Transformational concepts that you'll receive each and every week for 12 consecutive weeks. Full video content that I've personally created. Thorough workbooks and exercises that assure comprehension of the material. Literally walking you through how to create sustainable change. Keeping your finger on the pulse of your desired expansion. Now, we have an incredible supportive environment that connects live every week on my coaching calls. Well, really daily if you think about it, considering the private Facebook group. The enrollment's closed now for the full immersion, for the live interactive coaching, but feel free to put yourself on the wait list for the next open enrollment opportunity. Or, here's what's exciting, because I understand that people still have reservations about working with groups of people or come with reasons not to be on the live calls and interact, despite that all these calls are recorded, or just reasons they can't commit or really choose not to commit. And these people claim that they want to make great change in their life. But I've created a solution. Yep, I have. Because I believe that much in this program and the content that will literally change your life. Let's say you just missed the enrollment for this last full immersion. That's okay. I now have a self-study option for you. Yep. All the material, all the lessons, all the trainings, all the workbooks. I'm including most all of it, 95% of it. It's almost identical to the full immersion. 12 weeks of transformational content for you to digest, expand on, and really grow through at your pace for a fraction of the investment. You just won't be plugged into the live community or the TM90 Facebook group, the environment, or my live coachings. I just won't be doing any coaching in the self-study version because I reserved that for the full immersion students. Other than that, it's all included. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you what. For the rest of this year, when you invest in yourself, you commit to your personal growth, your mental growth, mental health, spiritual growth in the TM90. I'll roll that investment into the next TM90 full immersion. I will. Why? Because I can, because I want to. And I know that you'll create real sustainable change under my guidance and methodologies. I am irrationally passionate about you living in your healthiest mind, your healthiest body to the greatest of your potential, not my potential or anybody else's potential. Gosh, thanks, Dad. Thanks for asking that question again. I look forward to working with you at some capacity. I already see you. I already see you releasing those stories and the old beliefs as to why you can't have what you want. Let's change that once and for all. Make it a day worth repeating. Oh, and one more thing. One thing that I'll assure you I'll never promise you a unicorn and deliver you a donkey. Never.